Good morning students, I am Nikesh Sinha from Department of Music, and today we'll be talking about scales and chords. When you hear a song, it feels complete, structured, emotional. But here's a question. Are chords created randomly, or are they already hidden inside something? Today we are going to uncover the relationship between scales and chords. And once you understand this, music theory becomes much more easier. Let's begin with a scale. A scale is simply a collection of notes arranged in order. For example, so currently I was playing C major scale, which consisted notes like C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Think of scale as the raw material for music. Everything, melody, harmony, chords, comes from this. Now what is a chord? A chord is when we play multiple notes together. For example, but not just any notes, they are usually arranged in a pattern of thirds and fifths. We have different formulas, different chords. The formula for a major chord is a root, a third, and a fifth. The formula for a minor chord is a root, a minor third, and a fifth. The basic structure is called triad. Now here's the most important idea of this lecture. Chords are built from the note of a scale. Let's take C major scale again. But now we'll play it in a diatonic order. These chords that come directly from a scale are called diatonic chords. Each note of the scale gives us one chord. And in a major scale, the pattern is always same. It's major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, then major. This pattern is not random. It comes from the structure of the scale itself. So why is this important? Because now you don't have to memorize chords blindly. You can generate them. This helps in songwriting, composition, and even improvisation. Let's take a simple progression: C major, F major, G major, and C. All these chords come from the C major scale. That's why it sounds stable, complete. Now let's try something different. Let's play out of a key chord. For example, C, D major, and G. D major is not part of the C major scale, and suddenly the sound changes. This is how music creates contrast and color. So next time you play a scale, don't just see it as notes in line. See it as a hidden map of chords. Thank you.